Okay, then next we have fifth one is violence. Violence is a very clear noun. We can say there was so much in those days of violence that Saran Jinnah, who was a man of very strong feelings. So violence is actually an act of aggression, and it is always used as a noun. People of Kashmir are the victims of Indians' violence, we can say. Then we have reward. It can be used as a noun and as a verb. As a noun, it's very clear that being a Muslim, we have a belief that we will be given reward for our good deeds in Jannah. Here in this sentence, reward is used as a noun. Any kind of prize that is given for our good deeds is called a reward. And on the other side, it can be used as a verb. For example, the principal rewarded the students for their best performance. So here in this sentence of mine, reward is used as a verb. Honesty is the next word, seventh. Honesty is always used as a noun. Honesty is the best policy. It's very clear noun, an abstract noun, we can say. Then insult is the next one. Insult can be used as a verb and as a noun. As a verb, we can say he insulted her with with rude remarks. Rude remarks mean bad remarks. He insulted her. Or don't insult my intelligence. Here, insult is also used as a verb. Then, as a noun, it can be used as like turning his back on me was a deliberate insult. Deliberate is an adjective, and insult is used after this word adjective deliberate. So, here in this sentence, insult is used as a noun. So, there are different uses of insult as a noun and as a verb. Here the exercise A ends. You will be writing this exercise in the A notebooks. Next exercise is the vocabulary exercise B. Consult a thesaurus and find out the synonyms of the following words. Synonyms are the similar words, similar meanings of the word, and antonyms are the opposite words. So we will be finding one word meaning of these words, and then we'll be writing those meanings on the sticky notes. Just like you used to write words meaning on your notebooks, this activity should be done on the sticky notes. I hope you will be familiar with the use of the sticky notes. Take a sticky note, draw a line in the mid. On one side write words and on the other side write down synonyms. And then after writing the synonyms of these words, paste that sticky note here on page number 7, because the exercise B is given over here, so the sticky note should be pasted over here. Dear students, thesaurus is a synonym finder where we find the synonyms of the words. One word meaning we will be writing for these words which are given over here. The very first word in the vocabulary exercise B is truth. Truth is a clear noun, dear students. So the meaning or the synonym of truth is accuracy. Just like vocabulary exercise A, you may find so many other words as a synonym for the truth, but I found accuracy as the most accurate or appropriate synonym for this word. You may find truthfulness or some not truthfulness but some other words that are used as synonyms of truth is a noun, dear students. So if you are writing the synonym of this word, so remember one thing in your mind, that the meaning or the synonym of this word should always be as a noun. It shouldn't be adjective, it shouldn't be any other part of speech verb. Next word is rude. Rude is the next one. It's always used as a negative in a negative way, and the meaning or the synonym of rude is bad mannered. Ed is used here. Here the use of ed means that here it is used as an adjective. So rude was an adjective, and as a synonym I wrote a word bad manner as the meaning of rude. So the bad manner is a word which can be used as an adjective. She is rude. She is bad manner. In her college she is famous as a rude person, and in her college she is famous as, or she is known as, bad manner student or bad manner. Then sincere, earnest. Sincere is the next word. The synonym that I found is earnest. You can find so many other words as a synonym of this word. For suppose sincere, for sincere can be used as sincere love or earnest love. You can say genuine. Genuine can be one of the best synonyms of sincere. Sincere regret, we can say. Sincere wishes, earnest wishes. My earnest wishes are with you. So earnest is a synonym of sincere. Then next word is fear. Fear, the synonym of fear is fright. I got fright and went for sleep. I got fear and went for sleep. So both can replace each other in a sentence because they both are the synonyms of each other. Kindness is a noun, so the synonym of the kind of this word is again noun. Kindness, NESS, always represents noun. So as a synonym, I wrote graciousness. Gracious is adjective and graciousness is a noun. Similarly, gentleness can be the synonym of kindness. You can write both or you can write any one of them. Or you may write your own synonym if you find in the dictionary of yours. Then we have forgive. Forgive is a verb, very clear verb. It was used in a sentence in the text. And pardon can be the synonym of forgive. Both are verbs. I can't forgive liars. I can pardon liars. Both can replace each other in a sentence. Argument, contention.